Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting peony roses today. This time of year to plant peony roses, and they're fantastic, you know. I think we're all addicted to peony roses. The range of varieties now is just wonderful. The variety we're planting today is a variety called All That Jazz. It's an eye-toe peony, and eye-toe peonies have stronger stems than normal. Enormous flowers. This one's white, and there's little hints of purple, burgundy, and cream in the flowers. It's a really tough, hardy variety. We dug out a decent sized planting hole for it. You can see the size of planting hole we have. And we're putting a little bit of super tri planting fertilizer and some swell well compost at the bottom. Get it off to a good start. And of course, peony roses, when you've them planted in your garden for at least the next 300 years, when you have them settled in. So out he comes out of his pot now. Won't be enormous roots here, just get them settled in. And we may get a little bit of colour this year. I wouldn't expect miracles first year with peony roses, but they will flower for months, or flower for every year reliably. And this variety, All That Jazz, has got stronger stems than normal as well. So eye-toe peonies are well worth finding a spot for. So that's an eye-toe peony called All That Jazz, settled in here for years and years to come. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.